reserved by the government. It is maintained by the Forestry Division, and a couple of the people within the neighborhood and various groups and so forth, but they do a really good job of maintaining this facility. Right, so you stay in front of your dad, right? Don't pass anybody. Stay in front of him. Stay behind Anthony, and Vivek, you will stay behind me, right? Yeah. It's a little technical, so stay standing as much as you could. Remember, grip the bike, and anytime you need to stop, anytime you stop, just look for the man behind, right? If you're not seeing the person behind, stop. Then the person in front of you will stop because they're not seeing you, right? Okay. Alright, cool. What do you have? Right. Yeah, that's alright. Jump on. Look where you wanna go. Stop looking on the side you're getting scared of, right? Keep looking on the left side. Where the left side is? Here. Right, keep looking on that side. Jump on. Go ahead.
Enjoy myself.
Nice. You too? What you enjoy about it?
First time doing it, and
The difficulty?
it's not that hard.
It's not that hard?
No.
No, because you're a pro rider. Yes.
is you going? Todo dal Japan.
Today we are at the top of St. Michael Road. It is maintained by the Forestry Division, so there are some really awesome trails. I came with Vivek, Rohan, Anthony and Das. Everybody had a great time. The boys learned a lot today, and as usual, Tacarigua are some of the best trails, mainly because they are maintained. We didn't get to check out all today. We went to the mountain top. We didn't get to visit Marabunta, but it was a good day. What you learned today?
To stay in one lane.
Right.
When you go into rocks, to take your foot off the peg and keep your foot on the ground.
Nice for balance. Good, good.
Um,
And when you're driving on the road, which side you have to stay on?
left.
Nice. Come on, Bob. Good, good. For more awesome videos, remember to smash that subscribe button and click on the bell so you'll be notified every time a video is posted. We're gonna rack up all the bikes now and home time. I'm hungry.